KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's KDX444L, our HDMI HDBT extension kit, which includes both the transmitter and receiver. KDX444L can extend HDMI signals with resolution up to 4K with HDR up to 18 gigabits per second. 4K signals may be extended 70 meters with Cat5e or Cat6 or up to 100 meters using Cat6a or Cat7 cabling. 1080p distances may reach up to 500 feet by enabling long-range mode. KDX444L has a full assortment of integration and troubleshooting features, including EDID control, where the integrator may choose from 16 available digital handshake files to provide to the connected source, ensuring the desired resolution compatible with the display and video distribution system is provided. For more information on KDX444L, read the owner's manual at KeyDigital.com.